So you can include an image of your model, or multiple images, in your quotation document, or copy and paste them into emails, Word documents and other locations. So if we choose the angle that we prefer for our model, line it up, go to Options, go to Copy Picture, and this will copy that picture onto the clipboard. We can then go to Quote It, into the item description, choose a location in the document, right click and paste, and it will drop in that image, which can then be resized accordingly. We can go back to model it, we can take a different view, top down for example, or a 3D view, or a front on view. Options, copy picture, back to Quote It, right click, and it will drop that image in there for us. We can resize that one so they sit alongside. We can also put this in emails, so if we bring up a blank email, we can right click, paste, and our image can go into that email to be sent to the client.